Hello friends, today we are going to see example number 1.1, which is continue from previous session. Now another question we have for charging by induction is how can you charge a metal sphere positively without touching it. Okay, previous session we saw in that we had a two sphere, and while we both are come into the contact in physical contact, in that case its charge 50-50 means q by 2 and q by 2. Now without physical contact, how it is possible to charge the sphere? Okay, for that we are considering one sphere, isolated metal sphere, that you can see in diagram A. Isolated metal sphere, it means as you know that metal sphere possesses neutral amount of charge, means whatever number of positive charge are present, similar amount of negative charges are also present. Okay, like this. Okay, now I would like to charge this sphere positively. Okay, only positive charge we want over here, that's it. For that, let us take one simple experiment over here. We need one plastic rod. Okay, this plastic rod we have to rub against a fur. While we are rubbing this plastic rod with fur, in that case over here it is negatively charged. Okay, negatively charged. Now this negatively charged plastic rod over here we are moving towards, means we are putting over here near to the sphere, that you can see in figure number B. Now as you know that negatively charged sphere, negatively charged plastic rod, sorry, it is while you are putting over here, in that case here number of positive charges come towards negatively charged plastic rod. Okay, like this. Similarly, due to repulsion phenomena, whatever number of negative charges are there, that is moving towards opposite to the surface. Okay, that you can see in figure number B as well as in figure number C. Okay, so over here we are getting more number of positive charges, means whatever number of positive charges are present, that is deposit towards the surface of wherever we are putting our rod, and due to repulsion phenomena negative charges are moving away. Right, now what to do? We have to remove it. Okay, we have to remove this negative charge particles. So how can we remove this? For that we have a simple natural phenomena that we can use over here. Simply you have to earth, means put it in a grounding manner. Okay, put it in a grounding manner like this. Fine, in that case what happens, since grounding process happen over here, so this negative charged particles are moving towards earth. Okay, and slowly these particles are removed over here. Still our plastic rod is as it is, so this positive number of charges are as it is, that you can see over here in figure number D. Okay, now completely positive number, only positive number of charges are present over here, and no negative charges are present. Now what to do? We want to distribute randomly. For that, just moving away this rod uh, away from the sphere. So over here this positively charged particles due to repulsion phenomena redistributed to the sphere. Okay, so by this simple experiment we can easily positively charge this conducting sphere easily. Fine, so hope you understand this experiment properly. If there is any discrepancy, you can see example number 1.1. this is example number 1.1 from our book. Okay, so just I humble request, see it properly, and if you have any query you can call me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. And one more thing, I also need this homework to tomorrow. So by tomorrow, do your homework and submit to me. Thank you.